In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a project in Hubstaff. Whether you're adjusting deadlines, updating project details, or simply making necessary changes as your project evolves, knowing how to properly edit a project in Hubstaff can save you time and keep your team on track. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, we need to make our way to the project management section within Hubstaff. Start by logging into your Hubstaff account. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find the navigation menu. In this list, you'll locate a tab labeled Project Management. Go ahead and click on it. This section is essentially where you oversee all your projects. It's your go-to spot for keeping everything organized and ensuring that each project's details are up to date. After you've accessed the project management area, you will be presented with a list of your current projects. Here, you'll want to identify the specific project you intend to edit. Next to each project, you'll see an option or button labeled Actions. This button is your gateway to various editing features available for each project. Click on Actions to continue. Once you've clicked the Actions button, you'll see a drop-down menu displaying several options. You're looking for the Edit Project option in this menu. Clicking on Edit Project will take you to the editing interface for the selected project. This is where you can really get into the nitty-gritty of your project's details. Now that you're in the Edit Project view, you have the ability to modify a host of details. Here, you can update the project's name, description, assign new team members, change deadlines, or update billable rates. Take your time to ensure all information accurately reflects the current state and objectives of your project. This editing feature is designed to provide the flexibility necessary to adapt to any project's evolving needs. As you make changes, remember that the goal is to maintain clear and effective communication within your team. Ensure any updates to the project description or deadlines are communicated to all team members involved. This helps prevent any miscommunication and keeps everyone on the same page. Once you're satisfied with the updates, go ahead and save your changes. You'll want to look for a Save button, typically located at the bottom or top corner of the editing page. By saving these modifications, you ensure the project is updated across all associated areas within Hubstaff. There you have it. You have successfully edited a project in Hubstaff, and these changes will help streamline your project management process. Whether your edits were substantial or simply a few tweaks,